Wood in sports halls. Wood is a common material used in sports halls for their flooring. Wooden floors are highly preferred because they offer a great surface for various sports activities. Here are some of the advantages of using wood in sports halls. Durability. Wood is a durable material that can withstand heavy foot traffic, sports equipment, and other wear and tear. Properly maintained wooden floors can last for decades. Shock absorption. Wooden floors have some natural give, which can help absorb the shock of high-impact sports like basketball or volleyball. This can help reduce the risk of injury to players. Traction. Wooden floors provide a good grip for athletes, which is important for sports that involve quick stops, starts, and changes of direction. Aesthetics. Wooden floors provide a classic and warm look to sports halls, creating a welcoming atmosphere for players and spectators alike. Maintenance. Wooden floors are relatively easy to maintain and clean. Regular sweeping and occasional polishing can help keep the floors in good condition. Overall, wooden floors are a great choice for sports halls due to their durability, shock absorption, traction, aesthetics, and low maintenance requirements.